So I create this channel to talk about the things that I'm struggling with and as an INTP. So let's get to it. Funny thing is, being an INTP, you're what we call a single decider. We're using TI primarily and not using FE as often. And a double observer, so in the middle, you is using NE and SI in kind of balanced way. But when it comes to self and tribe, your identity, TI, and what others are valuing, FE, it's much more difficult. And what I realize now is, I just realized it today, is doing this kind of video, doing this YouTube channel, I seeing where I'm struggling with the FE compared to my TI. Because doing FE on a YouTube channel, for most people it can be obvious that you should do what people are valuing, what people are liking in order to grow your channel, to grow your audience. But as an ENTP, you don't think like this. You think in absolute term, in what is the best content I want to do, or I think I should do, which is completely different to looking for what people are valuing and doing content on that. Because you will be ending up doing content that maybe you don't really like, or you think that is dumb, but this is what people are valuing. And if you want to grow as a channel and develop your audience, you need to be able to do also what people like. But you need to find a balance, because all people are liking also your identity, who you are, your authenticity, but they want you to bring value to them. So you need to. So this is where there is this imbalance between TI and FE. If you are just an INTP that do just TI, all in on TI, you are just doing stuff that work for you, and you don't really care about if people like it or not. But if you go all the way on the other side doing just FE, you have a YouTube channel that is basically only focusing on what people are liking, but I've completely lost its authenticity because you are not putting your identity in it. So you need to, as an INTP, you need to go from being completely unbalanced between your self and tribe, TI and FE, to be more balanced, being able to do content that is both your identity that you put forward, as well as what people are valuing. And yes, this is what I'm struggling. And probably some people are struggling too. So I wanted to share that. So now I realize part of the thing that I wanted to explore by doing creating this YouTube channel is working more on my FE and being able to better understand myself and forcing myself to put myself out there. And now what I realize is I need also to do things that just for the purpose of doing what people are valuing. And it's now because I'm understanding logically through my TI, I can probably do FE. But yes, I need to do what people that are succeeding on social media or usually do. They look for what people are valuing and they create good content about it. And yes, so this is something that I need to explore, but for me, it's not that easy. My go-to is just, I'm not doing it on this channel because my first purpose is just to go out there and do stuff without making pressure on the quality. But on other channel, I'm building more focus on the quality. So my go-to is primarily around what is the best thing I can do, regardless of if people are valuing or not. And so once I figure it out, I'm going for it. But I skip the part where I need to know if actually people do care about what I want to do. So yes, so finally, as an INTP, you have an imbalance on T and FI. So you need to work around bringing those two together and find balance, both by showing your identity TI and by also taking in consideration FE in your decision making in the content you are building for the challenge. So I hope it helped if you're an INTP or an ISTP, because I'm talking about primarily the ITP or the IP, even in general. So if it helped and if you like this video, like it, give it a thumbs up. Don't hesitate to leave a comment about this. If you have something to say, I will be interesting to hear what you have to say about it. Thanks, bye.